everyone, welcome to the video and welcome to Real Talk Business. Today we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing. This is one of those things that some people say that it's not worth the effort, you shouldn't bother doing it until you have a big audience, and yet they push content creation as something you should be doing. They're saying there's no value in doing affiliate marketing if you are a small content creator. And I disagree, hence this video. So if that's the thing that you're interested in, this is the video for you. I'm going to quickly take you through what affiliate marketing is, why it can be useful as a small-time content creator, how to get started, and yeah, how to try and do it. So I suppose let's get started. Affiliate marketing is like earning a commission off a sale. So if you sign up to an affiliate for a company, so I only do companies that I actually use myself. I don't think that it's right to promote anything that I don't use myself. So say for example, I don't have an affiliate deal with Monster, but if I did, I'd probably earn a good amount of money. So I'd be like, oh, drink Monster, they're great. Here's a link to my Monster, drink it. And every time that they would get a sale from that, I would get something back, some commission back. That's just generally how it works. Those terms and conditions change depending on the affiliate that you're dealing with. Some can be very small amounts and some can be large amounts, and then I'll go through that in a second. But the general consensus is, if you promote something to your audience, big or small, as soon as they purchase that, you will get something back for that. That's an affiliate deal. Understand? Perfect.
I think it's pretty clear.
Now, some of the main affiliate programs are Amazon and eBay. And anyone can sign up to those. You can sign up, I can sign up, we can all sign up. And you probably see them, here's the things that I use in my video, they're below, the Amazon affiliate links. Amazon pays a very small amount. And if you're not using big items, say for example, I say, oh, check out my camera, do you like the way it looks? Do you like my camera-ness? I could be like, here's a link to all my camera gear in the description. And obviously camera gear is quite expensive, so anytime someone buys one of those, you would earn a fairly decent chunk back. But for the most part, I found that you have very small trickling amounts through things like Amazon and eBay, and unless they're active and being used all the time, then the chances are that it isn't going to be very useful. So when people say it isn't worth doing affiliate marketing as a small content creator, they're probably thinking about Amazon or eBay or these sorts of affiliate programs that pay, very small percentages of the purchase price. And if that's the case, then yeah, I don't use Amazon. So who do you use for your affiliate programs? Now, there's two sides of this. I use two main platforms, one being Impact, and I'll have a link in the description for that. It's realtalk.business/impact, and also Awin. So realtalk.business/Awin, and again, I'll have a link in the description for that one. You will be massively surprised. If you sign up to these, you'll be hugely surprised about the brands and the brand types that are on there. It covers so many different big brands that you will know and use. And so, like I said in the beginning, I only promote things that I use myself. So if Monster, you do want to get in touch about an affiliate deal, then I would definitely do that, because I like Monster and I only promote those sorts of things. Because for me, the integrity has to be there. If I'm saying use this massive thing, whatever the program would be, and I don't believe in it, and you guys have a negative experience, then for me, that is not what I believe in. I want that to be true to my brand and the things that I promote. So, for example, Revolut being one. I spoke about Revolut in my last video. I also spoke about Stake. Like, a Stake is a big partner of mine, but I use both of them. I genuinely use Revolut, and I know Revolut sometimes get a bad rap, but they're very. If you've ever used a French bank account, it's a nightmare.
He's not kidding.
It saves me a ton of money, and it's super convenient, and I've never had a problem. So from my point of view, I genuinely use them. I have used them every single day without fail. I use them as my main bank account. So I would recommend them because of that experience. And the same with all of the things I recommend. So I would sign up to Impact and Awin as a start. Look at those programs and look at the things that you are currently using in your day-to-day and what is there. Because a lot of people think as a content creator, you know, I'm not big enough, you know, I don't have a big enough audience for this, whatever. But if you're using these programs anyway, I'm sure you create Instagram stories, Instagram reels, if you use Twitter, whatever the content is you're creating, it could be a blog.
All of these things.
It doesn't matter the type of content you create as a content creator in affiliate marketing, because there are ways that you can put your links in there. So it could just be throughout your tweets. I sometimes tweet some of my links just in conversation, and it doesn't need to be in a spammy way either. Like when people are asking you for recommendations, I get asked all the time recommendations for things like hosting, like where do I host my websites? I host them through Volta. Volta has an affiliate program. It's not actually on Impact or Awin, it's their own one, but I recommend them because I have used them for about 7 years. So for me, it's like if I'm recommending something, then I may as well get a kickback for doing that. So you can just leverage that fact in there, and so when you're in conversation with people, that can be used as your affiliate links at the same time. It doesn't have to be a massive push and a massive sell. But at the same time, you can leverage it and put it into your blogs, your shorts, your TikToks, whatever you want to do, you can use those links and put them in there as well. It doesn't matter the size of your audience, because as you grow, those links will always be there. So you might have, you know, 100 followers now, or 100 subscribers, whatever. But as long as people are looking at those, and as you get bigger, they will still be there. So it still compounds that effect in the long run. And some of these programs can pay really well.
$1 bill, y'all.
Like when I'm talking about the Amazon and the eBay ones, like I said, it tends to be a small percent, and sometimes it's like 2% of a sale. And 2% of a sale of something that doesn't really cost much doesn't really make you anything back. But this is where I believe that it's more quality over quantity. So you look at the higher sale ones or the higher value affiliate deals, and so some of mine you can make, you know, $50, $80 per referral. Damn, girl! Which is huge. Like for the equivalent of that in the Amazon and eBay affiliate program, you would have to sell thousands worth of an item, such as, you know, camera equipment. So the chance of that happening versus getting someone to sign up to something that you already use, it just seems like a no-brainer. It just seems to make a lot more sense. So this is why I can't understand when people say there's no point in doing this as a small content creator, because there certainly is. Now, I also got asked if a company that you are interested in working in doesn't appear to have an affiliate program, how do you go about those sorts of things? And I've done this before as well. So I've done it in different ways. They've already got an affiliate Firstly, I have joined the Impact and Awin, seen what's there and gone, actually, I'll use half of this stuff. I will join their affiliates. Perfect. Secondly, I will, if they don't and they're not on there, I will Google and check to see if they have a referral program or an affiliate program, and often I'll find that they do. Sometimes I find that, again, they don't. So what I then do is like, well, I'm really interested in making content about your product or your service or whatever you might be. And then I'll drop them an email and say, these are the previous examples I've done. This is where it's worked. This is how valuable it's been. I'd love to have a similar sort of arrangement with you guys. Is it possible that we can create some sort of link? And that's happened twice now with different ones. So there are lots of different ways that you can go about this, but don't sleep on affiliate marketing. Don't think that affiliate marketing is just Amazon and eBay low value links, because it doesn't have to be. So I'll give you one example of a conversion rate that is just beyond so much. I had something like 126 views at the time. I got 15 clicks off those views. I got 3 conversions, which equated to $150. So when you look at the view per click per conversion, it's an immense conversion rate.
Damn, son!
And the amount of money back, I would never, how much ad revenue would you earn off 126 views? Nothing, probably like 3 cents. So 3 cents of ad revenue versus $150 worth of affiliate payouts, which is crazy. So it doesn't matter how small you are as a creator, and this doesn't have to be just on YouTube as well. Everyone's like, oh, this is just on YouTube. This could be Twitter, blogs, your Instagram Reels, your TikToks. It doesn't matter, because you will still get the reach out there. Stuff is still searchable as well. So as soon as you put the link out there, it's searchable across all these different platforms. So there's no better time to start doing this. And if you've just generally got any questions about affiliate marketing, how I've done this, etc., check out my Discord as well. I started a Discord server to try and help people on these sorts of topics. All the topics I cover on this channel, to be honest. It's realtalk.business/Discord. Makes like most of my things. And equally, if you join that, you can discuss all these sorts of things. But if you're interested in how I created all of my links, so I create my short links of realtalk.business/ whatever the affiliate is. I created a really simple way of doing this using WordPress. So if you're interested in how I set that up as well, it's super easy, doesn't take much to do, and it cost me about $5 a month to run. So if you're interested in that, drop me a comment. I can give you a video on the description on how to do that. But like I said, when people tell you affiliate marketing should only be for big creators with a huge audience, it's not true. Check out the links in the description, check out the programs that are out there, reach out to people that you're interested in working in, and I guarantee you that there will be a huge upside for you as a small-time content creator that you just wouldn't have considered. And I guarantee you it will be fruitful, 100%. Now, if this is the type of content you like and you enjoyed this little insight into affiliate marketing, subscribe to the channel, share this video with your nan, join the Discord, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!